Hey guys, alright, so in today's look I'm going to be featuring the shade 24/7 in the center of my lids. I'm technically doing a halo eye, but it's not exactly a halo eye since the center shade is not really very light compared to the outer and inner corners, but the technique is what you would typically do with a halo eye. So anyways, I'm starting off with the shade Crimsicle on a blending brush. Taking it on my Sephora Pro crease brush, I'm just laying the color out in my transition area, taking it all the way from the outer corners to the inner corners and concentrating the majority of the pigment on the outer and inner corners and kind of connecting them in the center. After that, I'm going to take a pencil brush, kind of fluffy blending brush, and I'm just going to place the shade Soda Pop on the outer and inner corners in a V shape, not exactly blending it all the way right now, just a preliminary blend with the same brush. But then I'm going to go back in with a longer and fluffier blending brush and going to take a little bit of that Crimsicle and blend these colors on the outer and inner corners. After that, I'm taking some e.l.f. glitter glue and popping it on the center of my eyelid. Then I'm gonna go over this area where I laid down the glitter glue and use the shade 24/7. It's a beautiful shade with a lot of silver glitter in it, really unique bronze with silver glitter. It's not something you would find in a typical eyeshadow palette, so I really liked it. Anyways, I'm applying that with my fingers and then I'm going to tidy up the edges using a packing brush. And then I'm taking this Stila Stay All Day liquid eyeliner and drawing on a teeny tiny wing. For my lower lash line, I'm using the exact same shades that I used above. So I'm taking the shade Soda Pop, blending it out very close to my lower lash line. And then I'm taking the shade Crimsicle on a longer, fluffier blending brush and blending the lower lash line out. So for my tight line, I'm using the Maybelline Master Drama Kohl Eye Pencil in black and I'm lining my tight line. This is really going to darken up the lash band on my upper lash line. But for my lower lash line, I opted for something a little more nude. This is really going to open up the eyes and I really like the impact that a nude or a white or a cream colored eyeliner has on your lower lash line. Then as always, I'm going in with a couple of coats of mascara on my lower and upper lashes, and that's it. And for the last step, I'm just basically going to put on some lashes, taking some glue on my lashes and then waiting for about 30 seconds for it to get a little tacky. I don't exactly have a name for these lashes. These are kind of a dupe for the Huda lashes. These are easily available here locally in China, not exactly a copy of Huda lashes, just a dupe and a very good one. So I'm just taking that and applying it on my eyes, and then I'm using this very dangerous tool and just making sure that it's well intact with my actual lashes. So yeah, that completes this eye look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.